Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons. Hope you're doing phenomenal. Today, I'm going to be talking about accountability calls and why having them is going to be crazy for you achieving your goals and getting on track for your success. So, just before 2018, sometime after the 20th of December, me and a friend called Albin, who we met in a freelance designer's Discord chat. He's actually a 3D modeler. He does architectural visuals, I believe. And we actually got talking and then became friends from that. And it turns out we're both interested in entrepreneurship. And I proposed that, firstly, he messaged me about doing goals, which is how I ended up writing 56 2018 goals. But I proposed accountability calls. So, when we had both written our goals for 2018, we actually called up and we went through them. We discussed, are they reasonable? How can we go about it? And what else we can add to our goals list? And we just spoke about, getting on track for success. And it was really great. It was great having a chat to him, and it was great talking about my goals and listening to his goals. And we sort of planned about how we can go and smash them in 2018, honestly. So one of our goals was to have accountability calls 1 to 3 times each month. And doing so is going to allow us to catch up on our goals and make sure we're not procrastinating, we're not slacking on our goals. And this is overall going to lead to quicker success. So 1 to 3 per month is great. If you go and talk to a friend 3 times a month about your goals, it's going to get you on track. Maybe you've had a week where you've been a bit lazy. In that accountability call, you can actually tell your friend that. You can say, I've been lazy, I know I need to improve. And by declaring that, by saying that, you'll actually go and do better in the next week. So by having a friend to keep kicking you along, keep pushing you and making sure that you're doing the right thing, it's just a really great tool, a useful thing to have as an entrepreneur. So I got the idea from Stefan James from Project Life Mastery, and he has accountability calls, not only to check up on goals, to see how to improve on them, to see how to make progress on the goals. He also just has it to make sure he's living a fulfilled life and he's getting the most out of his time. So by being accountable to someone, he's got that second person making sure that he's going towards and hitting his goals. So I'm going to write down here, gets you on track, and it really does. If someone else knows your goals and